Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply make another Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, simply go ahead, access your Instagram first, and now tap on this profile icon here at the bottom section, 3 horizontal line on the top right, settings and privacy, scroll to the bottom and tap on log out and log out of it. Then you will be able to access this kind of interface, which you have create new account option for us to create a new account. Now tap on create new account, enter your full name, tap on next, enter the password that you would like to make, tap on next, and if you would like to save login information, you can do so, otherwise tap on not now, enter your birthday accordingly, tap on next, and here you can see your username right over there. Now tap on this next option, and now you will have to enter the mobile number that you would like to connect it with. Once you have done so, you can also choose to add the sign up with email option as well. If you tap on it, you will have to enter email instead. Once you're done doing any of the information, tap on next. Now you will get a verification code on any of the information. If it's number, you will get a text. If it's on email, you will get an email. Go ahead, open it up and get the code of yours, enter the code, confirm it, and you will be able to open a new Instagram account for you just like that. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.